Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to replace this Hyundai Genesis G80 battery. This came out of a 2021 Hyundai Genesis G80, but it used for different years and different models as well. The battery replacement process is pretty easy. We will need two small screwdrivers and a replacement battery CR2032, and you can click on the link below to get it online. So first, what we have to do is to take this part out. We do that by pressing this button right here. And now I will take a big flathead, and as you can see right here, right here, right here, I will insert the flathead right there and turn clockwise, okay? Very gently. You can do it also from here. It will just take the cover off, okay? Gently, no need to apply a lot of pressure. Now we'll have to take this cover off, which I will do that by using this screwdriver. Right, one screw and the second one. Pretty easy. Make sure not to lose the screws. Happened to me once. Right, so here we have both of them. Now, as I mentioned, the battery CR2032. I'll take a small flathead, okay, and right here, this is the bottom part, right here, underneath, and the battery comes out, okay. To put it back, this is a good battery, so I will use it again. I will just put the bottom part first, and I press. Once again, to take it out, right here, gently. Not to touch the transponder area. To put it back in, bottom part first, and then I press. Now I will take the cover, I will put it where it should be, right there. One screw, the first one, and the second one. Pretty easy. Nothing too complicated here. Okay, make sure it's all good. There we go. Put the cover back. And that's it. As you can see, it works. That's it. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.